هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. I have explained this ayah in two ways. Now we proceed. Now if that was the purpose of the advent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not only to preach Islam, not only to convey the message of Allah to humanity, but to establish the deen of Allah as supreme. لِيُظْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ. And this could be done only through a revolutionary struggle to change the system. If you change the system monarchy to democracy, you need a revolution. If you change the system of capitalism to communism or socialism, you need a revolution. If you want to change the system of the obedience to kings or the obedience to the public, to the obedience to Allah, you need a revolution. And for that you need a party which should wage jihad.